This is the city of Haifa, placed between Mount Carmel and the sea. In it lies Haifa neighborhood, a center of diversity. The neighborhood is separated to its upper and lower part, and right in the middle of this separation lies the Talpiot market. Today, the market attracts many customers from the area, and runs through the adjacent streets, all the way into the structure itself. Originally designed by architect Moshe Gerstel as an international-style monument of control, the structure hosted the local market, pride of the local production and center of the entire city shopping map. Today, the structure stands almost empty, hosting only its monumental and unique architectural style. Although being neglected, the building has a spiritual feel. But why does it feel so spiritual? What gives a building spiritual values? And how can these values serve the neighborhood's population? 42% of the neighborhood's population are Haredis, ultra-Orthodox Jews. Of those, only 38% of males are employed. The rest, as they are in the entire state of Israel, are sponsored by the government, provided a basic income in order to be able to maintain their religious studies. Why is it that they don't work? What are they afraid of?
מלכתחילה, אנחנו רוצים ומוכנים לעבוד. הפחד הגדול שלנו הוא שהעבודה תגרום להזנחה של לימוד התורה וירידה במעמד במקום העבודה ביחס לבית המדרש. הפחד הוא שהעבודה תביא את האדם למצבים לא צנועים, ובעקבות כך שהחברה החרדית תוקיע את אותם אנשים שעובדים.
We propose a place that will harness the spiritual values of the building, and use them to make this segregated society feel comfortable with a working environment. We believe that integration of religious and science studies, alongside a working environment, would allow these male Haredis to participate in the working cycle without having to be pulled out of their spiritual life. Studying workspaces, we have found that the high-tech world has a lot in common with the Bet Midrash. Or more correctly takes a lot from the Bet Midrash. Both based on large open spaces, and rather than division into offices, enable an environment that encourages interaction, both based on the benefits of collaboration. Books are the most essential objects in Jewish tradition. Therefore, we chose bookshelves as our generating principle. It was crucial to understand what bookshelves can or cannot do. Following this understanding, a continuous bookshelf system was designed as the center of the new program, thus able to assemble furniture such as a table or a bench, but also structural systems such as the main ramp, all made of bookshelves. Then, 3 basic working modules were designed, all conserving the religious study principles in the Jewish atmosphere, allowing room for as many books as needed. The structure itself is fully restored to its former glory, with minor changes, all made in wood, conserving the concrete structure, distinguishing the old from the new. The entrance, for instance, was visually separated by bookshelves, to allow a sterile and undisturbed environment. A special detail was designed to enhance the constructive features of the building, a wooden lighting object which highlights the concrete columns. Moving forward to Bet HaMidrash, the heart of the project, which is all created by the wooden structure, allowing flexibility wherever needed. Even the Holy Ark is built by the same language and means. In the Bet Midrash, seating would be towards the center to allow for a lecture or shared learning to take place. Down in the basement lies the mikveh, a cleansing pool serving the users, receiving natural light through the transparent parts of the ceiling. This pool serves the users as part of their everyday cleansing ritual, as this society can shower only in such a place. The mikveh is also designed with bookshelves, this time using as lockers and shelves for storing personal objects and clothes. The mikveh was separated entirely from the market, allowing the users the intimacy they need. Vertical movement within the main space happens through the wooden ramp. The gradual circulation reflects the process one goes through the building, learning a profession, acquiring it, and becoming an independent worker. Upstairs are the working spaces, offering a bed midrash-like environment, and direct contact with both traditional books and the sound of religious studies from the bed midrash. Here, a different leg module was chosen, one able to wire electricity, for the benefit of the workers. In addition, another module was designed to contain a sink with proper drainage through the hollow leg. The lounge serves the workers at breaks, as learned from the high-tech world, this time using the bookshelves as comfortable seating places. This design intends to help a segregated group of society be further integrated and accepted, not by trying to change their religious lifestyle completely, but rather by assisting them to maintain it by combining spirituality with a work environment. As we see it, this model can be applied to any secluded or secluding society in the world. Religion and spirituality could enrich the worker's life, and work could act as a bridge between the different groups. We hope that by reducing the differences between the separate societies, they might be able to overcome inner disputes.